Hey designers, it's Elizabeth from Designer Up, and it's Watch Me Work Wednesday, where I show you how to apply a UI UX resource or tool to your workflow like a professional designer in 10 minutes or less. Great icons are essential to a great user experience on web and mobile applications and user interfaces. Selecting icons that are non-intrusive, familiar, and self-explanatory is the key to a good interaction experience. These 10 icon packs that I've selected are all free to use and open source. They were curated for their simple, clean, cohesive styles and ability to fit into any style of design seamlessly. So let's check out these 10 incredible free icon packs. First up, Invision Essentials Icon Pack. It's 140 icons for the most common UI interactions as well as business and communication specific icons. Google Material Icons, 2,071 icons by Google for, well, just about everything. Feather Icons, 282 super minimal icons by Cole Bemis. Themefiy Icons Pack, 353 icons by Themefiy, perfect for web designs and apps. Dripicons, 200 simple rounded line icons for any app or website by Amit Jaku. BigMug Icons, 440 stylish yet simple icons by Caitlin Fairtoo. Unicons, a massive icon library of 4,500 free icons in 4 different styles and 27 different categories by Icon Scout. Ionicons, a large set of 1,227 handcrafted icons that includes logos and social media icons by Ionic. Mobirise Icons, a set of 150 line icons for your next project by Mobirise. And finally, Zonicon set, 297 free premium icons with a playful familiar style by Steve Shoger. If you're using Icon Set Icon Manager, which I've done another video on, check my video linked above. You can also find these here for a one-click install download to your Icon Set Manager application. You will never have to go searching for icons for your next project again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.